Hi guys, welcome back to my channel after such a long hiatus. I hope you all had an awesome holiday season and got lots of makeup. I thought I would start out the new year, instead of doing something glam, doing something a little more natural. What better way to start the new year than start it with yourself, something fresh, something definitely you. I decided I would kind of get back to basics and make my first video of the new year something a little more natural looking. So if you like this look, be sure to keep watching and I'll show you exactly how I get it. I don't know about you guys, but what Disney gave us in unrealistic expectations for hair, The Devil Wears Prada kind of gave me unrealistic expectations about how women get ready to go to work in the morning. I mean, maybe I'm in the minority here, maybe it's just my age, but I can't do that. I hit snooze 5-6 times until I've got maybe, if I'm lucky, 10-15 minutes to get out the door. So on days like that, I do something like this. I do something very natural looking, very simple. Believe it or not, this look only takes a few products and there's no actual legit eyeshadow. Yeah, I know, I said that right. So I don't know about you, but I'm excited to get started. And if you're curious about this look and how I got it, just keep watching. So I've already gone ahead and done my brows. And now, instead of doing what I normally do, which is my eyes first, I'm going to go in and do my face, like my foundation, concealer, and all that. When my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer doesn't give me quite the coverage that I want, sometimes I'll go back in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer and just touch up a few of those spots that the NARS leaves behind. The NARS is a gorgeous, gorgeous concealer, but sometimes you just need a little more. Now I'm going to go in and set my face with my powder. If you've noticed, I haven't exactly put concealer on my eyes as a base yet, and that's because with most natural looks that I do personally, I do really, really light on eyes. And you'll see what I mean in just a minute. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my normal bronzer, contour, whatever you want to call it. It's from MAC. It's an oldie but a goodie. It's called Earthshine. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite blush color ever made, MAC in Warm Soul. Honestly, if I had to give up my entire blush collection except for one, I would still keep this above all others. It is just such a gorgeous, gorgeous color. So now that I have a pretty good start on my face makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my eyes. One of my favorite things I love to do when I'm doing my natural version of makeup is I like to go in with the same color I used for my contour bronzer, and start working that into my crease, into my eyes, because in all fairness, what is blush, powder, highlight, but another pressed pigment that really you can work in your eyes as well. I mean, we're paying enough money for all of these products, we might as well get the most possible use out of them that we can. So I'm taking Earthshine again on my Sephora blending brush, and I'm just gonna start working that up here to create that false crease because of my hooded and deep set lids. Now, just like my contour, I'm going to go back in with Warm Soul and work that in that same spot as well. Now, the reason I love to do this, matching the specific products that I use on my face and also my eyes, is because it really helps make the look cohesive. It really, really makes a difference. And ever since I started doing my natural makeup this way, I've noticed such a difference. And this is so, so great for those mornings where, in all honesty, I just don't have time. I don't have time to apply 5 different shadows to my lids and do all the other stuff that I normally do. This is so great for just put some product on and walk out the door in 10 minutes. Because I don't always have time in the morning, meaning I never have time in the morning. Because unlike other people, I like to hit snooze 5-6 times. Luckily, I live close to where I work, so it works out. So now I'm just cleaning that up a little bit. And believe it or not, we're almost done. I know. My last few videos have been a bit on the longer side, so I'm kind of happy that I'm putting up a shorter one, especially one that's so easy and it takes half the product that normal videos take. Now, just because I'm doing a lighter look doesn't mean I'm going to slack on my under eye area. I'm going to go back in and connect my upper shadow with my lower, just like normal, on a little smudger brush. And that's really going to help things too, because right now I feel like I don't look awake. So now that we're looking alive and awake, I'm going to go in and do that final step that I never forget, which is highlight. Now, the highlight I'm going to go in with today is not a super, super blinding one. It's not an Anastasia. It's not even a Becca. I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Ray of Light highlight that came out, I want to say last year, maybe the year before. I don't know, my highlights kind of run together. And it's just such a really natural, diffused, lit from within look that's not super blinding. So I'm just gonna pop that on. Now I'm going to take that same highlight on a super small brush and use it just to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner. So now all I have left are lips. And as much as I love a good liquid lipstick, and believe me, I do, I really just love a good cream formula lipstick. So I'm going to go in with the Luxe lipsticks from Colourpop, specifically the Belle lipstick from the Disney collection. And I'm just going to apply that. Cream lipsticks are so easy. No muss, no fuss, no worrying if it's going to dry down too quick and you end up with product all over your face, and God forbid you're doing it in the car on the way to work and you go over a speed bump and then you end up with liquid lipstick on your face. Not saying that's happened, but it might have happened once or twice. So that's the final look. Sometimes I might go in, if I have a couple extra seconds, and apply some liner to my top lid, or if I really want to, I'll add some glitter, just a swipe with the Stila glitter and glow. Yeah, with the glitter and glows. But really, this is it. This is pretty much every day. So I really hope you enjoyed this. If you don't have these same products at home, don't worry about it. Just use what you normally use. But I really recommend trying to match your eyes with the same products you use on your face. Like I said, we pay tons of money for these products. Why not use them? Same thing, and it still looks really nice. So thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in and sticking with me through my hiatus, I guess you could say, through the holidays. I'm back and ready to film, and I'm so excited for what I have coming next. I really hope you liked this look. By all means, please let me know if you want to see more like this, what your favorite products are, if you do these similar tips and tricks, which products do you use for contour that can also be used for eyes. I'm really dedicated to my Earthshine, but because it was a limited edition product, it's running out, and I'm terrified for the future. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe. Please hit that like button. Let me know if you liked it. If you didn't, if you have any comments, if you have any suggestions, requests, let me know, and I will see you next time. Bye.